First, we have to do this division. 100 divided by 50 over 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 7. No, 100 times 7 over 50. Okay? 100 divided by 50 gives us 2. And 50 divided by 50 is just 1. So here we have just 2 times 7, which equals 14. So we have 14 times 7. Okay? 7 times 4 equals 28. So we write 8 here and carry 2 here. 7 times 1 is just 7. And 7 plus 2 gives us 9. So we have 98. And this is our final answer to this problem. 98. And this answer is correct because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. Okay, so first this division. 100 divided by 50 over 7, which gives us 14. Then this multiplication. So 14 times 7, which equals 98. So this answer is correct. But if you don't follow this rule and first do this multiplication, then this division, you'll get the wrong answer. If you do first this multiplication, 50 over 7 times 7. We can easily cancel this 7 and this 7. So here we have just 50. So 100 divided by 50, which equals 2. But this answer is not correct. And the correct answer is just 98.